Hi guys, today I'm gonna open my McDonald's toy. Let's open it. This is the thing, and then this is a McDonald's thing. I don't know. It says thank you for traveling to McDonald's land, and then I got this cord, and then I got this McDonald's sticker. It has a picture of the shoe case. And then I got this another sticker. Why is she flying? Okay, that's it. Okay. And this is the postcard. It has her picture. And it has this. And then we have another postcard. And it has this on the back. And then the last thing is this sticker. Got breakfast with Birdie. Bye.